so cruise family again. Here is Anika, wifey. Today we are going to Cebu and we will be staying in Shangri-La, Mactan. So kasi may wedding yung isang college friend namin, then the whole gang is here. Andre is here, Anika is here. Mga college friends ni Mrs. Micah. Ayan. And the kids. Ayan, punong-puno ng mga bata ngayon. Ito. Ayan, lahat sila. Ito pa. Ayan, si Miko. So, everyone's here and we are at Terminal 3. Na-delay data flight. Supposed to be 11 kami aalis. Pero, it's already 10:30 wala pang boarding gate. So, anyway, I'll show you the place, yung Mactan Hotel. It's the first time that we've been there, but we will be staying there. And maganda ata kasi meron siyang sariling beach, no? So, alright, see you later. Finally, we have a gate. Daming tao. Terminal 3. Wow. Punong-puno. It's a Thursday and daming tao. Siyempre, we're using Cebu Pacific. So, we are on our way to the boarding gate. Board na. Then, see you guys later. Alright, pa-boarding. Ito yung hassle. You have to ride the bus pa to go to the plane. So, hassle. I prefer the other terminals than 3 kasi nga medyo crowded dito. Bukod na crowd. Land of the living dead. No? Then you have to ride the bus pa para to go to the plane. So wala, hassle lang. Anyway. So medyo dulo yung plane. Dulong parking. At least the bus is not full. So here's our plane. The budget airline Cebu Pacific. Yan. Kung nagtitipid-tipid ka, ito pipiliin mo, no? Going inside the plane, Cebu Pacific. Thank you, Cebu Pacific. So, okay naman to airline na to. Kahit na medyo maraming delay. But then, because everyone's using it. Alright? So, we're about to go in. Finally in the plane. Katabi namin si Micah.
Kasi nakaw na upuan niyo.
Ito yung ibang gang nasa harapan. Swerte sila, nasa harapan, maluwag. Okay, so see you in Cebu. The flight will take about an hour. It's the first time na mag-Cebu also si Anika. I don't know sila Micah. First time ba ni Lexi? Oh, first time din pala ni Lexi. So, medyo memorable, no? We just landed, 1 p.m. Welcome to Cebu. Yeah. Alright. So, kunin na namin yung mga bags sa carousel. The first lechon. Boom! Alright, so we got our bags. On our way to the car, they rented a coaster to fit all of us. Marami kasi kami. Almost 20 or more than 20. I don't know. But yan. Nandun yung iba. Yan. And it's the first Cebu of Anika. Anika, welcome to Cebu. Hello.
Sir, may banda is
Waiting for the bus, for the coaster. Ayan. So, the complete gang. Ganyan karami. Micah, pagod na. Ayan. The bags. So, Cebu Airport. The new airport. Here's the coaster! Boom! Mura lang yan. 3.5 lang ang book dyan. From airport to hotel. So, yan. So, on our way to Shangri-La Mactan Hotel. Pero, the others are staying beside sa hotel. So, alright. Finally, on our way to the hotel. Ayan. So, it looks like this. Ayan. Nasa harapan sila, kids. Everyone settled in. So, it's a special day, no? Or special trip kasi everyone's here. And it's not easy to go out of town, especially with a big group. Yeah. Ito, the coaster is nice. So, if you're looking for car rental, yan. Ano ba pangalan ito? Metro Cars Transport. Okay? So, the hotel is, I think, 30 minutes away from the airport. So, check-in lang kami. And I'll show you the hotel. Ito na pala yung Shangri-La Mactan. Dito pala. First time ko nga makapunta. So this is the entrance of the hotel. Very nice. Siyempre Shangri-La, it's a known brand na rin. So it's not cheap. Kaya, yan. So the kids are very excited. No? Again, here is the situation happening in the coaster. Oh, saya-saya. So it's already 2 o'clock. So mag-check-in lang kami. Then let's see what will happen. Siguro late lunch, no? Then we will see each other again in the evening because we have a dinner later daw, sabi nila. So baka mag-swimming na rin kami after eating, no? Hapon na swimming. So there's a beach there, sabi. So anyway, we will explore the place together. Here is the lobby of Shangri-La. Daming foreigners, Koreans and Chinese. So it's open space. And the beach is over there. Yan, mamaya punta tayo doon. So, ang dami nag-check-in. Puro foreigner. Yan. The place is quite nice. Yan. So it looks like this, no? So there's the rooms. Yan. The pool is over there. So outdoor feels. Initial look of the room. 2017. You know. Yan. Bathtub. With the goodies. Yan. So this is our room. May extra bed? Wala. So, the room looks like this with the view. Yan. Yun yung beach pala. Dun lang. Bababa ka. Swimming pool dun. Alright, the room looks nice. Pool number 1. The closest pool to our room. Yan. 4 feet. Yan. So, the beach is there. Ayan. So yung beach dun din pala. Ayan. It's big, nice, comfortable. Konti tao. So that's Shangri-La for you. The rooms. Oh, Anika is excited. Oh, here. So this is our eating place. Very cozy. Very beach feel. Not so many people. So dito kami kakain, no? So we're having late lunch. I'm having the Salisbury steak. Andre's having the burger. Siyempre kasi pool. Then she's waiting for the Mang Inasal. And she's having noodles, of course. Kain-kain muna bago swimming. Of course, I'm having the beer. Let's go. Boom. Big bite. Parang masarap yung inasal niya, oh. Oh, ha? Pero parang di bagay Shangri-La tas inasal.
Gusto ko eh.
Pag pool kasi or beach, talagang dapat American. The burgers, the hot dogs, yan. Ako, I wanted the hot dog sana a while ago, but I had 2 sandwiches already. So.
He's gonna eat it tomorrow.
Yeah. Bukas.
Okay na. Nilagyan ko rin ng...
Just finished eating and I had 3 beers. So Anika is here in the pool. The pool with the slide. Ayun siya. Oh, enjoying her time. So, wait lang, baka mabasa. Oh, Anika, saya mo ah. Oh. Ayan oh. Oh, ano yan? Ayos yan ah. May play ka dyan ah. Oh. Oh. Ano yan? Oh. Ayos yan ah. May gun siya. So excited. Di natulog, no? Sino ba naman di may excite sa laki ng place na to? Beautiful place. Let's play. O, dali, akit ka. Akit pa siya. First time niya makalaro sa ganun, eh. May slide pa. Oh. Ayos yan. May slide ah. Good morning. So it's the next day. Breakfast time here in Shangri-La, Mactan. Medyo maulan ng konti. Yan. Having breakfast. So this is my breakfast. Not so much of a breakfast eater. Kaya medyo pilit yan. So here is their buffet. Tides. Dami tao. Grabe. So medyo maraming tao dito. But the assortment is really nice. May pambata pa. Ito. Parang pambata na buffet. Station. Here. Donuts, cereals, pancakes, na pang kids. Nice. So they do think about your kids. Tsaka ito, ang ganda ng spoon and fork. Nice. Ganda lang, kasi you don't see that every time sa mga buffet. So ito yung main buffet area, the noodle station. Ayan. So lots of foreigners, mostly Korean and Chinese. This is what I got. The longganisa, bacon here. We do have Korean. This is Korean. Kimchi. Doon sila nagluluto. Beautiful kitchen. And corned beef, pork and beans. Ayan. Tapos may egg station na rin dito. Ayan, kuha ka. Ayan. So they make the eggs here. Ayan. You ask her what you want. Then they have a beautiful coffee machine. Ganda ng machine nila. Kaya masarap. Here. Salads over here. Then taho. Ayan, may taho sila. Taho. Very Filipino. Ayan, that's the beverage over there. People are still coming in. Dami tao. Then the fruit section over here. The waffles. Ayan. And the pastries, of course. Ang siyang kilala sa pastries yan. So the pastry should be good. Mamaya, babanat ako niya. Ayan, ito. Ito, kilala rin sila sa ensaymada, I think. Yung ube ensaymada. Alright. So, that's the breakfast for you guys. So the plan for today is actually mamaya wedding na ni nung friend namin ni Jeric. So 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So after eating, swim kami muna ni Anika, swimming pool. Then we do the wedding and then yeah, that's it. Beautiful morning here in Shangri-La, Mactan. Tapos may pamaskot pa sila. So libre yan. Ayos ah. Pati balloon making free. No? So the facility is really for kids. That's why all the families are here. Tapos ngayon punta tayo sa meron silang mga game room, parang mini kid zone niya na free na rin pag nagstay ka dito. So maganda. So I saw it kanina, so I'll show you guys. Ito, maganda rin dito sa lagoon. Tawag ka dito lagoon sa loob. Yan. Ganda, no? Oop. Yan. Beautiful. Yan. Ito. Playroom number 1.
Oh, you look lang. Pero you have to
Toddler zone.
we have to get your socks.
Oh.
Oh, go inside.
Lamig. Oh, here. Look. So, meron silang mini kid zone niya. So, kung may activity ka, you can leave your kid here.
Ay, ang lamig.
Oh.
Want to try? Sarap.
Dali, takbo na. Takbo, takbo. Tapos dito sa labas.
Ang lamig dito. Dito tayo magtambay mamaya.
Oh, ayan na. Mag-isa. Oh. Pasok. Tapos dito rin. Morning. Mga art. You can paint this. Siguro to may bayad na. Yan. This one's mostly for art. Nagpipaint. Diba? Nice. Kasi hindi lahat ng hotel may ganyan. Ito yung mas malaking kid zone niya. Ito. Yun. Ito malaki. Kaya walang tao. Ayan. Nice. Diba? Alright. Ayos. So, bihis lang ako. Preparing for another swim ulit. I'll show you guys the beach naman. Para to complete the vlog for today. Okay? Hindi pa tapos. So, meron pang entertainment zone. Time zone naman.
Time zone.
It's your private time zone. See? Gaming. Libre lahat eh, no? PS5, oh. May bayad. So, there's so much things to do here in Shangri-La Mactan. So, may mga arcade. Beautiful. Tsaka, hindi luma yung mga machine nila yung arcade. Bago. Mamaya, baka maglaro ka ako dito eh. So, yan. Nice, no? Alright, balik na ako sa room. Then, I'll show you guys the beach ulit. So, Anika will do the slide. Ayun na siya, paakyat. Then, all the way down here. Yan. Kasi may slide. Tapos there is a slide here. A big slide. And hindi na siya natatakot. Yan, bababa siya dyan. So, here is the pool again. The main pool. Laki, no? Really huge. The hotel. Then the slide. Yan. Tayo natin si Anika. Bumaba. Daming tao. Punong-punong Shangri-La. Puro Koreano. To, Anika! Ala! Oh! Oh, ang bilis mo ba? Oh, ano yun? Oh. Ang bilis mo ba? Galing ah. Galing ah. So, we are on our way to the beach with Anika. Hello, baby girl. So, the beach is there. Yan, bababa kami dyan. Here is the garden. Shangri-La Mactan has a very nice garden. You can walk around here, you can jog here. Kanina in the morning, I saw a lot of people jogging, no? Kasi nga, merong runway, walkway na mahaba. Paikot yan throughout the facility. Ang toy yan, hawak mo na toy mo. Then, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Meron din silang mga kabana. I think it's for free. Kasi it's all over the place near the beach. Ito. Which you can stay. Tapos there's a restaurant there. Ayan, may restaurant doon. You can eat there with the view. Ayan here. Diba? So there's a cabana. Oh, free naman to. Ay, may massage pa. So, Wow! So probably, you can book a massage here. Oh, di ba? Massage, tapos yung view mo, the sea. Ayan. So basically, ito yung beach. Yan yung beach niya, no? It's white sand naman. Alright, baba tayo. So, welcome to the beach of Shangri-La Mactan. Here's the bar. Mamaya, order ako ng cocktail. You can order food here. Morning. Very beach vibe, no? Ganda, no? Parang Boracay. Pero Cebu lang, hindi Boracay. Tara! So, let's look for a good spot. Yun. Baka meron dun. Libre naman yan, so everyone's here because the sun is out. So it's a perfect day to go for a swim. But let's look first for a spot. So everyone's playing with the sun. Diyan na ni Sir Toy. We'll stay there. Okay, so found the spot. This spot. I think it's vacant. Dahil medyo puno sila. No? So here's the beach. Actually, fine sand naman. Yan, no? White. It's white and it's fine. Kaya lang, when it's low tide, medyo mabato na rin. So you need shoes. Para hindi masakit sa paa. No? Okay. Clear water naman. And there are fish. Yun. I don't know if you can see. Yun. Ang lalaki, oh. Ayun. Ito. A school of fish. Sana you guys can see. Yan. Malinis naman yung tubig, no? Kasi pwedeng mag-feed doon. So they can feed it. Kaya pala may mga fish. Yan, he's feeding. Ayan na. So Anika will play. Alright. Order ako drinks sa bar. Kaya rin pala maraming Koreans, no? I noticed. Kasi holiday pala sa Korea. And Cebu International Airport. International, so meaning you can fly out direct to Cebu Airport. Kasi international airport siya. So from Korea, pwedeng direct doon. So it's much easier to go. Kesa yung magmamanila ka pa. And then, go here. So yun, direct na. Kaya pala. Yeah. Kahit maraming tao, hindi naman magulo. Well organized. And Shangri-La really is a perfect place for your family, no? Yan, order ako dyan. Alright, so I just ordered my cocktail dun sa beach bar nila. And it will be delivered to here, to our spot. Here's Anika, already enjoying her time, playing with the sand. Happy na dyan, hi! So basically, that's the vlog, no? I just wanted to share to you the Mactan Shangri-La Hotel. It's our first time here. It's very, very nice. If you can afford it, no? Talagang sulit naman siya. Worth every penny. It's value for money. I think we paid here parang 15,000 per night. We just got a discount kasi nga wedding naman ng friend namin, so may discount ata siya. But ang normal rate, I think it's about 20,000 per night. So I mean, if you can afford it, no? It's a very nice place. Kasi nga, so much things to do. Hindi ka na aalis sa facility. There's so many restaurants, good food. Kita nyo naman yung pool, sobrang laki. Then, merong beach. Tapos, merong water sports. Dami ko nakitang water sports. Then, there's a mini arcade. There's a mini time zone. Tapos, which mamaya, magka-time zone ako if there's time. And then there's a mini private kidzunia, etc. The staff are great, mababait, mabibilis, but you just need to save money para more or less you can afford her. Kasi nga, it's not cheap. It's not for everyone. So anyway, that's it. That's our Cebu trip with Anika playing with the sand. I'm happy that we went here. Sulit na sulit. So, one for the books. And thank you for joining me. Thank you for staying. So, please help me out by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.